Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. So in this video I would like to explain about plausible structure. So in the previous video I already explained about formal charge. So we can apply the formal charge when we want to determine the most plausible structure. Meaning that if you are asked to determine the plausible structure, you have to propose more than one structure. And then you can calculate the formal charge for each atom. Based on the formal charge, you have to decide which one is more plausible. Alright, so let's look at this example. Actually, this example is already in your lecture note, but I want to explain about it. So let's say we want to determine the most plausible structure for COCl2. Alright, so what is the most plausible structure for this? Okay. Alright, so first you need to draw a Lewis structure. Alright, so when we want to determine the Lewis structure, okay, so the first step we need to calculate the total number of valence electron. So in total we have 24 electron. So we will decide carbon as a central atom bonded to 1 oxygen and 2 chlorine, and then minus 6 become 18. 18 we will distribute the electron around it. 6 times 3 become 18. Alright, now let's look at the central atom. Does the carbon octet? Not, right? So how to help carbon to become octet? So we have two possible atoms to donate a pair of electron. The first one, maybe oxygen donates its lone pair. And the second possibility is chlorine donates its lone pair, because we have two identical chlorine. Maybe this chlorine will donate a pair of the electron. So because of that, we have to draw both. Let's say for the first one, let's say I label as structure A, C, double bond with O, sebab dah donate 2, tinggal 2, and chlorine. And then for structure B, so we decide one of the chlorine will donate a pair of the electron to help carbon to become octet. Alright, so how to identify or how to determine which is the most plausible structure between these two? As I mentioned previously, if you want to determine the most plausible, at least you propose two structure. Okay, alright, so the only way to determine the most plausible structure is to calculate the formal charge. Okay, let's say for structure A, we will determine the formal charge for carbon. This is 1, and we have two identical chlorine, so this is number 2 lah, and this is 3. So ada 3 atom yang kita kena determine the formal charge. So I will determine one by one. Let's say the formal charge for carbon. The formula is the number of valence electron, which is 4 for carbon, minus, is there any lone pair around carbon? No, so we put as a 0, and half from a bonding pair. So let's look at carbon. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 become 8 electron. Okay, so 4 tolak 4 become 0. So what about the second one? Formal charge for chlorine. Chlorine, the valence electron is 7, minus how many lone pair around chlorine? 6, minus half from the bonding pair. Chlorine only have one bonding pair, which is 2. Sama, so become 0. And what about oxygen? So maybe I can scroll it a little bit up. Okay, so for oxygen, formal charge for oxygen, the valence electron is 6, minus, is there any lone pair around oxygen? 4 minus half, how many bonding pair? 4, right? So it is equal to 0. Now let's put the value to the atom. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now let's look at the second one. Okay, let's see. I think the carbon also, we have one carbon. The chlorine is different, so we need to calculate for each chlorine. Let's say we consider as this is chlorine number 1 and this is chlorine number 2. Okay, so we will calculate for carbon first. Okay, formal charge for carbon, 4 valence electron, minus, there is no any lone pair around carbon, minus half from 8, become 0. Okay, again, the formal charge for carbon chlorine number 1. Okay, chlorine number 1 dahulu, 7 minus how many lone pair around it? This one, chlorine number 1, right? 4 minus half of 4, become positive 1. And what about chlorine number 2? Formal charge chlorine number 2, 7 minus 6 minus half times 2, become 0. And the last one is oxygen. Formal charge oxygen, 6 minus how many lone pair around oxygen? 6 minus half times 2. 6 minus 6 becomes 0, become negative 1. So that you can put the value. This is 0, this is 0 also, this is positive 1, and this is negative 1. The question, which one is more plausible? The most plausible structure if the formal charge is equal to 0 or closest to 0, that is one point. The second point adalah more electronegative ion or atom should get a negative value. So in this case, the most plausible is structure A because all the atom have the formal charge equal to 0. Right? So the answer is, the most plausible is structure A. Because the formal charge right? So this is how we determine the formal charge for each atom.